Sanford High School and the Regional Technical Center will be closed tomorrow. And for families, just the thought of a school shooter, even a hoax, is enough to strike fear into parents, kids, and their teachers.
For the first responders, there's also frustration to quickly mobilize life-saving resources, taking them away from true emergencies. Here's how emergency crews from police to fire to hospital staff responded to today's series of hoax threats.
Wow, been quite the day for us here in Sanford.
Sanford School Superintendent breathing a sigh of relief.
Our people have been through a lot today.
8:20 a.m. Tuesday, Sanford's Regional Dispatch Center got a phone call from someone claiming to be a teacher, saying there was a shooter inside the high school and kids are hurt. But none of it was true.
We practice these for a reason.
Dozens of law enforcement and first responders arrived on scene and determined it was a hoax, but not before 3 medical aircraft, Maine State Police, and 12 neighboring EMS teams started pouring in to help.
It's always a scary situation. You know, our first response is to get here as quickly as possible to save as many lives as possible.
At 8:31, a similar call to Portland's Regional Dispatch Center, making the same claims. 40 Portland police officers responded and cleared the school, determining this call was also a hoax.
It's terrifying, and our officers want to get there as quickly as they can.
School after school across Maine started reporting similar threats, sending them into the same fear, anxiety, and stress. Maine State Police and intelligence officials noticed a trend. At least 10 schools, including Sanford, Portland, Gardner, Oceanside, Fort Fairfield, Belfast, Brunswick, Holton, Winslow, Ellsworth, and Wiscasset, all reporting similar threats.
When you're 4 or 5 calls deep, and it's the same kind of voice, it's the same phone number, it's the same threats, we have the opportunity to think, okay, this is starting to look like a swatting call, like a hoax scenario. But these are callous and inhumane acts against our kids, against our residents, against these parents. And we need to make sure that we're reacting to that accordingly.
The FBI is also involved.
You know, this is the first time that anything like this has come to the Sanford School, and the fallout from that emotionally for the teachers and students is probably going to be long felt.
Now, just yesterday, on Monday, the FBI said it was investigating a distinct set of threats nationwide at more than 100 high schools and 2 junior high schools. And those threats started back in early June. The FBI says those appeared to originate overseas. Now, the FBI in Boston did not say if the threats in Maine today are now connected to that investigation. As far as the hospitals, all of Northern Light Health's hospitals, as well as Maine Medical Center and Southern Maine Healthcare, activated their mass casualty plans. They say no procedures for patients were canceled, but that there was a major impact on hospital staff.